Hi, my name is Eli Griswold from Griswold Plumbing Services. We're here at this customer's house for a leak underground coming through the basement wall. Through investigating when we first got here yesterday, we found that in the ground by the corner of the house there was a giant puddle coming up every time the pump turned on. This is an obvious indication that there's a broken pipe in the ground and it's letting the water come up through the surface. What we had to do was get a machine out here, an excavator. We had to dig a giant hole about 5 feet deep to where the pitless adapter is and about 5 feet wide, so we're able to get inside there and work comfortably in order to attach a new pipe. We then had to sleeve a 1-inch pipe through the 1.25-inch well pipe that was already existing from the basement of the house out to the well casing where the pitless adapter is, put a new fitting onto that pitless, adapt to it accordingly, and then also seal both sides of that well pipe because one pipe is bigger and the one that we use is a little bit smaller, so we had to seal that gap so no water came into the basement.
Doing is this customer has a broken water line for his well coming from his house to the well casing. It appears, as you can see, a bunch of the brick was left in here and it broke the pipe. That's right down here. So what we're doing is we're digging it out, excavating down to it, finding the break to save him from his hedges being torn out. This one we're able to sleeve because it's a bigger pipe. So we're going to dig down, cut it here, sleeve it to the brass, and attach it to right there. And once we get done with that, we'll test it, make sure that the pipe is secure, then backfill and clean it up. All right, so we've dug down. We found what we call a pitless adapter. It's what attaches to this well casing here. It's got a little gasket right here. That goes inside. Inside, they have an adapter on there that lets you pull and recess the pump from this little cap on the top here. So what has happened here is right here, as you can see, this really harsh turn has caused a split here, and there's a break back here from all the rocks they had in there. We're gonna cut it. The sleeve will come up. We're gonna take it back to here, adapt it to 1 inch, which it should be, and reconnect it and test it.
As you can see, Mike is putting on a little gray gasket. So what that's doing is it's a seal because when we sleeve the smaller pipe into the bigger pipe, it's going to seal that little gap so that no water can come back into the house and get the customer's basement soaking wet. And as you can see, that bigger pipe, which is 1.25 inches, we're able to sleeve a smaller 1-inch pipe through that all the way from inside the house to the well tank, so that there's no couplings or breaks in the line. It's one continuous line all the way out to the new pitless adapter right there.